This is our wireframe of how we want our mobile app to look like for the actual product. This is the startup screen, FallSafe. Upon entering as a new user, the user have to enter their relevant details. Once they have completely filled them up, they have to click the next button. In the event if they realize that they have entered the wrong details, they can click the back button here. So a verification code will be sent to the user via their phone number. So once when they have entered the verification code, they can click the next button here. So once they have been verified, they can access to the interface of our application. So over here, we show the connectivity of our mobile phone to the FallSafe device. In the event if the user decided to change any of their personal particular, they can click the change button here, which at the same time, once they have edited, they can click the save button. To view the SPPV result done using the FallSafe device, click the view result. A summary of the SPPV result will be shown. Over here, we have the navigation tab. First, we have the location page, which will show the current location of where the user is. Next, we have the form page, which will be required to be filled by the user itself. Upon completion, click the done button, and a summary of the questionnaire will be shown. If the user decided that one of the question is required to be updated, for example, question 1, where the user have fallen in the 12 past month and he did fall, he can click the edit button and click yes. Next, we have the notification page where the user can add the contact details of their loved one. So all these people here, they will receive a notification when the user have encountered a fall. If the user wish to edit the contact details, they can click the edit button here. Lastly, we have the guide page, which will provide the relevant videos to educate the user on fall preventions.